Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine with a healthy shine. Today, let us learn a new chapter in maths. It is called as Simple Equations. Teacher, I have constructed a game which is called as Mind Reading Game. Shall I present it to the class? Okay, Amina, you are welcome to do it. Children, let us do a mind reading game. What is that, Amina? How to play it? Okay, Sarah, think of a number. Multiply it by 4. All right. Add 5 to the product. Okay, done. Tell me the product. It is 65. Then the number you thought in mind is 15. Wow, that's right. How did you do it? I got it by using simple equations. I too want to learn. Please teach me simple equations. First of all, you must learn about framing equations. In the mental sum that I gave, I asked you to think of a number. You could have thought any one of the natural numbers. I didn't know your number, so I noted that unknown number as x. You know, we can take any one of the letters in the alphabet. I asked you to multiply the number by 4. So you got 4x. When you added 5 to the product, it became 4x plus 5. When you gave the end product as 65, the equation became 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. So, to find the value, I used different numbers. For example, if the value of x is 1, we get 9 as answer. If the value of x is 5, we get 25 as answer. When x is 15, we get the answer as 65. Wow, this is so amazing. Teacher, please tell us what is an equation? In an equation, there is always an equality sign. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left of the sign or left hand side is equal to the value of the expression to the right of the sign or right hand side. In our expression 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. 4x plus 5 is on the left hand side and 65 is to the right hand side. In between them is the equality sign. An equation must have a variable and an equality sign. The equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 is the same as 65 is equal to 4x plus 5. So, the equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and on the right are interchanged. Now, let us learn to write the statements in the form of equations. First statement. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. 3 times x is 3x. Sum of 3x and 11 is 3x plus 11. The sum is 32. So, the equation is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. Second statement. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. Let us say the number is z. Z multiplied by 6 is 6z. Subtracting 5 from 6z, we get 6z minus 5. The result is 7. So, the equation is 6z minus 5 is equal to 7. We can also write the equation in the statement form. X minus 5 is equal to 9. The statement form is taking away 5 from x gives us 9. Or in other words, subtract 5 from x which gives us 9. Second one, 5p is equal to 20. The statement form is 5 times number p is equal to 20. Now let us learn how to solve an equation. An equation is like a weighing balance with equal weights on both its spans, in which case the arm of the balance is exactly horizontal. If we add the same weights to both the pans, the arm remains horizontal. Similarly, if we remove the same weights from both the pans, the arm remains horizontal. We use this principle for solving an equation. If we add same numbers on both the sides, the equation remains unchanged. Similarly, if we subtract same numbers on both the sides, the equation remains unchanged. In the same way, if we multiply or divide the same numbers on both the sides of the equations remain unchanged. Consider the following equation: x plus 3 is equal to 8. To solve this equation, we shall subtract 3 from both the sides. X plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. So, x is equal to 5. Here, the new LHS is x and the new RHS is 5, or x is equal to 5. Why should we subtract 3 and not some other number? It is because subtracting 3 reduces the left hand side to x. To confirm whether we are right, we shall put x is equal to 5 in the original equation. If the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then our answer is correct. X plus 3 is equal to 8. Now let us substitute the value of x. Then we get 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 gives us 8 is equal to 8. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, our solution x is equal to 5 is the correct answer. Look at another equation. X minus 3 is equal to 10. What should we do here? We should add 3 to both the sides. By doing so, we shall retain the balance and also LHS will reduce to just x. X minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. So, x is equal to 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13, which is the required solution. Let us now verify and see if our solution is right. X minus 3 is equal to 10. By substituting the value of x, we get 13 minus 3 is equal to 10, which gives 10 on both the sides. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, let us look at the equation 5y is equal to 35. To get just y on left hand side, we will divide both the sides by 5. 5y upon 5 is equal to 35 upon 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled, so y remains there is equal to 5 7 times 35, so we get 7. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 7. Let us substitute the value of y in the equation. 5y is equal to 35. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So both the sides we get 35. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, y is equal to 7 is the required solution. Let us work out the equation m upon 2 is equal to 5. In this case, let us multiply both the sides by 2. M upon 2 into 2 is equal to 5 into 2. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so m remains, and other side 5 times 2 gives us 10. Therefore, m is equal to 10. Verification. M upon 2 is equal to 5. By substituting the value of m, we write 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Here 2 5 times 10. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, m is equal to 10 is the required solution. We can solve the equation by transposing also. What is transposing? Transposing means changing the side of the numbers. In doing so, the sign of the number has to be changed. Let us learn the transposing method. For example, 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Now transpose minus 10 from left hand side to right hand side. 3p is equal to 5 plus 10. Therefore, 3p is equal to 15. So, p is equal to 15 upon 3, which gives us 5. So, p is equal to 5. Remember, when we change the sides, plus becomes minus and multiplication becomes division. Now, let us solve a problem. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Since we do not know Lakshmi's age, let us take it to be y years. So 3 times Lakshmi's age is 3y. Her father is 4 years older than 3 times her age. So her father is 3y plus 4. Hence the equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Let us solve it. Transposing 4 to the right hand side, we get 3y is equal to 49 minus 4, which gives us 3y is equal to 45. Therefore, y is equal to 45 upon 3, we get 15. So, Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Children, in this session, we learnt about what is equation, to write the statements in the form of equation, to convert equations into statement form, solving equations, and solving equations by transposing method. Please work out the sums from chapter 4th. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay safe. Remember to wear your mask and do your task.